how to log in Grok AI account. So if you want to log into your Grok AI account, then what you need to do is first you need to install Grok AI. If you have the Grok AI installed on your device, then just simply open up the application. Or if you don't have it and if you want to log in quickly, then you can just simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Simply search for Grok AI and then go with the website, which is grok.com. Just wait for a few seconds. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you want to sign in or log in, then you need to go with the sign in option, which will be in the top right, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You'll be able to log in with your X, or you can log in with your email or your Google or Apple. So I'll just simply go with login with Google and then select your Google account and then go with continue, which will be in the bottom right. And that's it. You have been logged into your account. Or you can just simply go with install, which will be in the top right, and the application will be installed. And no need to log in. It will already log you into your account. So that's how you can log into your Grok AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.